Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this call guide, I will show you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen.
Fix 1. Restart your PC and Riot client. Step 1. Close Valorant and the Riot client completely. Step 2. Restart your computer. Step 3. Open the Riot client and launch Valorant again. Fix 2. Run Valorant as administrator. Step 1. Right-click the Valorant shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Check if the game loads properly. Fix 3. Repair game files. Step 1. Open the Riot client. Step 2. Go to Settings Valorant, scan and repair. Step 3. Wait for the process to finish, then restart Valorant. Fix 4. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open Device Manager on your PC. Step 2. Expand display adapters, right-click your GPU, and select Update driver. Step 3. Restart your PC and try launching the game. Fix 5. Check Riot Vanguard. Step 1. Make sure Riot Vanguard is running. Step 2. If not, reinstall it by opening Valorant and letting it prompt for installation. Step 3. Restart your PC and launch Valorant. Fix 6. Disable VPN, proxy, or background apps. Step 1. Turn off any VPN or proxy. Step 2. Close unnecessary apps running in the background. Step 3. Try launching the game again.